So here I have an exhaust, and it's got recently damaged. So I actually took it and I cut it off, took out the insulation, hammered in this silencer, I guess, or like the straight pipe that goes straight through the middle, and then took the measurements. I'm not sure if you can see, but these measurements of how far each hole is, since this has previously been, I don't know, redone or, I don't know, customized. Obviously it's been painted. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna try to slide this back in to the slot and then hit those holes and hopefully be right on target. Boom, there you go. So yeah, I tried to measure it. I was kind of successful. I made a little bit of, I don't know, some small mistakes right there. It's just like, you know, some fake carbon fiber and fiberglass stuff. So I'll just tape around it, spray over these, make these black, maybe make a black stripe so it looks like the same as the front. And then maybe, I think about it, maybe attach the, I don't know, original, I don't know, holder. It's all busted up, so on one side it'll look good, maybe, I don't know, like so. All right, have a great day.